Hello everyone and welcome to BIPA Class International, where you can learn Indonesian from the very basic with me 5. Today we're going to learn about prefix me nasal. In the end of this lesson, you are expected to have a better understanding on this topic and also to be able to use this prefix appropriately. So, are you ready? Let's get started. We use this prefix to form a transitive and an intransitive active verb. With the capital N represents the nasal sounds. When we attach this prefix to the base words, we will have a new word with a new meaning, of course, with the general meaning, doing something in a situation, becoming like or to be like or change to be, something like that. We can attach this prefix to a verb, noun, and an adjective. Let's see the rules for this prefix. First, me will change to mem when it's followed by the words with the initial letters B, F, and P. B and F will stay, while P will go or will be omitted. For example, B, beri, then we put prefix me, becoming memberi. F, fitnah, we put prefix me, becoming memfitnah. And then P, pakai, we add prefix me, becoming memakai. Here we can see that we omitted P sounds from the words pakai. The rules number 2, me will change to men when it's followed by the words with the initial letters C, D, J, T, Z, and letter combination S and Y. T will be omitted while the rest will stay. For instance, C, cari, then we put prefix me before the words, becoming mencari. Mencari. And then D, dengar, we add prefix me before the words, becoming mendengar. Mendengar. J, jual, we put prefix me, becoming menjual. Menjual. And then T, tari, we put prefix me before the words, becoming menari. Menari. Here we can see that we omitted the T sounds, so the words becoming menari, not mentari. Okay. Rules number 3. Me will change to meng, right? Meng when it's followed by the words with the initial sounds S. For example, S, sikat, we put prefix me before the words, becoming menyikat. Okay, menyikat. We omitted the S sounds from the words sikat, so we only we will get ikat and then we put meny. the words becoming menyikat. Rules number 4. Me change to meng when it's followed by the words with the initial letter G, H, K, and vowels. K will be omitted while the rest will stay. For example, G, gunting, then we put prefix me before the words, becoming menggunting, menggunting. And then H, hapus, hapus, we put prefix before the words, becoming menghapus, menghapus. And then vowel A, for example, ajar, ajar, then we put prefix me before the words, becoming mengajar, mengajar. The last one, K, K or keras, we put prefix me, becoming mengeras, mengeras. Here we can see that keras becoming mengeras, and we omit the letters K or the sounds K from the words. Rules number 5. Me will stay me when it's followed by the words with the initial letter L, M, N, R, W, Y, and letter combination NY or ny and NG or ng. For example, L, lambat, then we put prefix me before the words, becoming melambat, melambat. Then M, makan, we put prefix me before the words, becoming memakan, memakan. And then N, nanti, menanti, menanti. Then we have letter combination anh and ny, anh or nhớ, nyanyi, nyanyi, becoming menyanyi, menyanyi. Okay, let's recap what we have learned today. First, we use prefix me to form a transitive and an intransitive verb. General meaning of the words with this prefix will be doing something, becoming like something, or in a situation. Me will change to mem when it's followed by the words with the initial letter B, F, and P. P goes and the rest stay. Me will change to men when it's followed by the words with the initial letter C, D, J, T, Z, and the letter combination S and Y. T will be omitted while the rest will stay. Me will change to meng when it's followed by the words with the initial letter S, and the S sound will be omitted. And then me will become Meng when it's followed by the words with the initial letter G, H, K, and vowels. K will be omitted while the rest of the sounds will stay. And then the last, me will stay me when it's followed by the words with the initial letter L, M, N, R, W, Y, and letter combination NY and NG. Okay, that's all for today's lesson. I hope you enjoy watching my video and learn something from this lesson. If you find this video useful, please do share with the others. And if you have any questions, don't be hesitate. Write down your questions in the comment sections below. Thank you for watching my video. See you in the next lesson.